I noticed a drip of gear oil when I got home from my ride yesterday, and that appeared overnight. I think something is going on behind this cover. First, how about some two-stroke bonus footage? What's it going to be? Hopefully a neutral switch O-ring. Yeah, there's a bunch of gear oil in here. The engine has 2 miles less than 100 miles on it now. So we have 3 choices of oil leak here. This one, we definitely don't want it to be the countershaft sprocket seal. It could be the gear shift seal. I don't think it's that. Or this guy, which I hope it is that. I looked all around this countershaft sprocket with a mirror. I don't see any evidence of oil. But I'm shoving a clean paper towel in there. It's a little bit of grunge, but no oil. There's definitely no oil coming out of that shifter seal. I suspect it's the O-ring on this thing. Look at that horrible mess on my powder-coated frame. I will go to that valuable resource on YouTube called Ken's Garage, because he put up a YouTube video on changing this. I just don't remember if I need to lean the bike over or not. I don't think I need to. What's really strange is, I'm sure I replaced this O-ring. I wouldn't have rebuilt this engine without replacing it. I'm not feeling super confident that this is the culprit, but I'm going to replace it anyway with a brand new one. I think that was a brand new one. I hope that is the problem. I'm not seeing any oil around the countershaft sprocket at all. I hope it's not that. If it continues to leak, I'll have to pull the countershaft sprocket off. It looks really good back there. Well, hopefully it's this O-ring. By the way, you can leave the bike upright. Your crankcase will not empty all of its contents. Glue Loctite on the screws. I suppose there's another option for oil leaks in this area, and that's these shift shaft guide bar plugs. But I would be really surprised if that volume of oil could come out of those things. This thing's all back together now. I'm not 100% confident I fixed that oil leak. I sure hope I did, because if it's not that, it's something much worse. But I won't know until I go for another ride.